We're putting this presentation on today with the help from NECA, the National Electrical Contractors Association, IBEW, the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, the Inland Empire Burn Institute, and Southern California Edison. Hi, I'm CJ Hamilton. I'm the electrical safety trainer for this class. I want to kind of introduce myself and let you know where I'm coming from. I've been an electrician for 40 years. I come from 4 generations of electricians. My great-grandfather, my grandfather, my father, and myself. All have been electricians, IBEW electricians. But basically today, what I wanted to tell you was why I'm doing this class. The main reason is I think why they picked me was I can't tell you what an alcoholic feels like. I can't tell you what a drug addict feels like because I've never been either one of those. But you know what? I have been hit with 480 volts twice. I know I should have learned the first time. I've also been arc flash and arc blast. I've lost the skin from my fingernails to my elbow. I've been blown out of rooms. I rode in ambulances. I've been stitched up. After 40 years in the electrical trade, stuff happens. And when they asked me to do this class, I was really excited because I've been there. I've done that. I know what it's like. I know what it feels like to be electrocuted. I know what it's like to be shocked. We've been asked several times if we had a video or anything that would show what we do in our class. Our class runs about 3 hours, sometimes 2.5 to 3 hours. We do a lot more than you've seen here. A lot more stories go on, obviously, from the participants plus myself. But we wanted to put something together that just kind of showed you guys what we do. We're based in California. We're IBEW Local 477 and 440 out of Riverside and San Bernardino counties. Why electrical training? Okay, here's one of the reasons why electrical training. We care about your safety. We want to provide a safe work environment, and we feel that the fire department should ensure that all firefighters are trained in recognizing electrical hazards. This is one of the main reasons why we're here. Firefighter Richard Rehier was killed when he was responding to a car crash, and he stumbled onto a live wire at the scene and was electrocuted. There's over 100 firefighters a year that are injured by electrical current. How many is too many? 1 is too many. Today, by putting on this awareness class, we can try to knock that number down. Our objective here today is to talk about mainly 3 things: down power lines, arc flash, and arc blast. This is a piece of 1750 MCM, and this is a piece of number 12, just household stuff that you use. Which one of these are going to kill you? You're right, either one of them will kill you. You got all these breakers on. If you're going to unload a breaker, what you want to do before you throw the main breaker, you want to toss off all the small breakers first. These are what shuts off the transformers. And if these guys have jumped the meter, which I'm going to show you just how to do it, when you shut these off, you want to stand beside them, turn them off, and turn your back. What it does is it goes through and it shows you right here that how solar works. What happens is all these solar panels are put together in a collector box. The collector box is tied into series. It goes over the wall through wire down through a disconnect. But we'd love to come to your counties and sit and show you, either show an instructor, we'll come and do some classes, train the trainer, or anything like that to help you guys out. If you're in California, we'd be more than happy to come up there and put this class on. We really feel that this awareness really needs to be put out there. We didn't realize that a lot of the firemen are getting into these rooms. Things are happening to them just because they weren't aware of what it could do. We've run into situations right after the class where we did have some electrical problems, some electrical explosions, arc flash and arc blast. Because of that, the firefighters were able to combat it. We recognized that the problem was there, be aware that what was going on, and we actually were really happy that they saw the class. So anyway, I appreciate your time. I hope you like what you saw today. All our numbers and everything will be on here so you can get a hold of us. But you can always get a hold of us through the NECA in San Bernardino, Riverside NECA, or you can also get a hold of us at the IBEW, Riverside, or San Bernardino counties. Thank you so much and appreciate your time.